So welcome back to our channel again. I'm Mike of Padres, and today we are back with another unboxing and a detailed review video. We will be doing a double unboxing of two of the lines that we collect and review, which is Mcfarlane action figures and Funko Pop of the same character, which is, as you can see, Izuku Midoriya from My Hero Academia, or MHA. So with no further ado, let's get into it. By the way, this video is brought to you by Contrive Design. They are a new and legit construction company. Anything that has to do with construction, they are your go-to guy. We'll insert a link of their Facebook page and how to contact them in the description box down below. So feel free, guys, to check them out. These bad boys up. I just like to say that we purchased the Mcfarlane Deku from the Mcfarlane official toy store here in the Philippines for a total of 960, because I was able to use vouchers and points to get it discounted from its I think the retail price is around 1,399, and then I went down to 1,260 because there was a sale, and in total niya, less, we were able to get it for only 960 pesos, which is definitely better, lower than 1K. And as for the Funko Pop, this was just a gift. We've had this pop for quite some time now. So ngayon lang siya nalabas for a review. So let's check out the details of the boxes before we open it. So starting off with the Mcfarlane box, you have Deku's picture here, an actual picture of the figure, which is a close-up, blown up in his name. I'm kind of surprised that they didn't use something like they use in the DC multiverse lines, which they use art from the source material, but it is what it is. It's still okay. And here, 12 plus, My Hero Academia, of course, Mcfarlane toys, and Funimation. So for the side, again, Mcfarlane toys, My Hero Academia, Funimation. For the back, it says here 22 moving parts, and I think the Spanish, whatever. Mcfarlane toys, My Hero Academia, and suggested posts on the back. 7-inch figures. No stuff here on the bottom. And as for the pop, I think this was gifted without a boss protector. I purchased the boss protector at Philbars, SM North EDSA. Let's take it out of the protector to stop the slight reflection. Take a closer look at the box. So this is a special edition SE and a GITD, glow in the dark, and it has a hologram here. The Deku's preview here. My Hero Academia number 596, pop animation. His nickname Deku. Deku preview, pop animation. Same thing on the top. Funko. Usual stuff on the bottom. Side picture. And on the back, this is the Deku, the one I have, and then another Deku, which is in his P uniform, thin version, powered down version of All Might, Shoto Todoroki, and Proppy or Tsuyu, and Mr. Aizawa, the teacher. See, I think this is Eraserhead. So that's all 5 in the set, including this one. So let's unbox them. with the pop, since this version of Deku is actually mas nauna siya kaysa dun sa version niya or sa suit niya sa Mcfarlane fig, because kitang-kita dito sa what sets it apart is yung shoes niya. So this part in time in the anime, or at this point in time in the anime, or this part, hindi pa siya gumagamit ng shoot style. That's why he's still wearing his red shoes or boots, which is gamit niya rin for casual wear niya. So the Mcfarlane fig, he's already wearing the upgraded version of his costume which is already equipped with the shoot style. So for the details of the pop, it has his X on his face, which is actually the main thing that glows in the dark. We'll insert a B-roll of that part. Aside from ito, yung aura niya, his aura that he uses when he powers up using his quirk from All Might, which is one for all. Really like how Funko did Deku's hair. Ito, para siya maraming maliliit na triangles. And then, meron siyang konting parang yung freckles ni Deku. And then, here's a close-up of how his body and costume looks. Ito yung cowl niya. Of course, based sa buhok ni All Might. So, yan. Really nice details. Yung red shoes niya kind of reminds me of Jordan 4 Toro Bravo. Yan, details rin sa gloves niya. So moving forward to the Mcfarlane action figure. So start off with his face. Ito lang yung medyo only gripe ko sa toy na to, is the face. Hindi siya masyadong kuha ng kagaya sa anime. And aside from hindi siya masyadong kuha, is yung mukha niya is nakangiti na parang sobrang saya. I mean, if you're collecting an action figure, you'd want the character to be in parang game face. The character should have a game face. Like for example, it's Superman. You'd like to have him wearing his game face na parang ready to rumble na, ready to battle evil villains. But I guess it's still kind of okay for Deku, since yung demeanor and character talaga ni Deku is, yung personality niya is sobrang mabait. Yeah. So that's I guess that's the reason behind why they put smiling Deku face. Just wish they tried to make it a bit closer to the source material. So moving down to the neck, ayan, ito na medyo sobrang okay to, yung may part na mask niya, which he actually never wears again sa anime. Sa sobrang umpisa niya lang ginagamit yung cowl dangling from the back. There's actually a version of this one that iba yung head sculpt, tapos iba yung legs, suot yung red na rubber shoes without the shoot style boots. Tapos ito yung gloves niya na upgraded, na nakaka-shoot siya ng projectile air for his projectile attacks. Ayan, so really nice details. Let's take a look at the articulation. Now those can look up. Well, not that much, but he can look up fairly. Can look down. Can look right. Can look left. Can go 360? I don't think so. I don't want to force it. Parang bumabara yung cowl. Bumabara yung cowl sa pag 360 sumasabit yung baba. So going down to the shoulders, meron siyang parang something similar to a butterfly joint. It does its job. Okay naman. And I think he has bicep swivel. Does he have bicep swivel? Medyo tight pa eh. Ayan. Bicep swivel, 360 degrees. As for the elbows, really nice touch with double jointed elbows. And nice touch too with how the linkage of the fists are done. Hindi halata, parang walang gap, walang malaking parang ball joint dito. And also really nice touch that they gave him 2 closed fists. Kasi syempre alam natin si Deku hand to hand yan makipaglaban. So wouldn't make sense kung binigyan siya ng one open hand na parang maghahawak ng weapon, because Deku doesn't use weapons. And going down to the torso. And first time ko mag-review and magkaroon ng Mcfarlane figure that is sent from DC. And ito, first time ko rin makakita ng ganito kataas yung parang biyak sa torso niya for articulation. It's kinda loose. Medyo loose siya dito. Pero limited yung pagyuko niya. But still okay. Yeah. For looking up, using his torso, limited lang din, hanggang ganun lang. And really nice touch na may yung utility belt niya yung ganito. I'll just call it a utility belt for syempre maka-Batman din tayo, pero in the anime that actually doesn't have a name. So going down. Oh, let's test pala kung naiikot to. Hindi, hanggang ganun lang. And for the legs, tight pa. Usual hinges here sa mga Mcfarlane figs. Does its job, it can does his split, pero parang hindi ganun kasagad. And for the knees, really nice touch again with are these double jointed? Oh, I'm actually not sure. Kinda looks like it's double jointed because dalawa yung ganito, pero oh yes, I think it does work as a double jointed because hanggang dun yung tupi. So guys, if you know, if you're 100% sure, please feel free to comment down below kung talagang double jointed. Oh, I think yes. But still comment. So yun, meron pang additional articulation dito. So yes, it's kind of a weird version of a double jointed knee. And going down to the feet, hindi siya nakakaikot ng 360. Medyo kita yung ball joints dito, pero eto, this doesn't go 360. Limited movement, ganun lang. And for the toe articulation, sobrang limited, ganyan lang. Can't really do yung parang tuping-tupi yung toe like with usual Mcfarlane figs. Superman, Batman, Nightwing, Red Hood, and other stuff, and other characters. Of course, Deku has peg holes on the bottom of his feet, which of course go hand in hand with this guy. Which brings us to the accessories that came with him. Usual flight stand. Only difference with this one and the ones we've reviewed in the past that are Mcfarlane figs is the label. This one has My Hero Academia, and the other ones have DC Multiverse. So exactly the same thing, same function, same look, that everything parehas. Only difference is yung label na My Hero Academia siya. Oops, I had that backwards pala. Sorry. So, you can use it to pose Deku in a flying position, parang pag yung aatake siya. Kasi high flyer si Deku eh. Kaya lang, if you pose him in an attacking position, it's kind of weird. He's smiling. Hindi naman nagsasmile si Deku pag gagamit na siya ng attack niya, such as Detroit Smash, or diba, o Delaware Smash, or or whatever. So, that's it for the details. And if you made it to this part of the video, super thank you. If you're a first time viewer of this video and this channel, please consider subscribing, hitting the like button, hitting the notification bell, leaving down a comment, and sharing this video. In behalf of Kapadring Von, again, I'm Mike of Padres. Thank you and peace out.